Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Ashana B and I am back with a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out some new Fenty lippies for you guys that I just got gifted from my man. And I am so thankful. But yes, some new Fenty lippies for you guys. I went ahead and did my eyebrows a little bit and added some gold eyeshadow highlighter towards my inner corner of my eyes. And did a little bit of mascara. I didn't do foundation or primer because I'm just not doing a full beat. It's late at night and I still wanted to look cute. So yeah, I didn't feel like doing a full beat, y'all. But I think that these lipsticks will look good with your natural skin. Well, I think all lipsticks will look good with your natural skin, but these in particular will look good because they are the sheer lipsticks. So these are the Slip Shine Sheer Shiny lipsticks from Fenty Beauty. I got the color Sugar Kiss, which is like, I would say a little bit darker than a powder pink. And then I have the color Quartz Candy, which comes out white. So I'm wondering if this is just gonna come out clear. It's gonna have like a little bit of glitz to it. This one I'm really excited to see how the look comes out. And then of course I just have the Universal Clear Gloss from them, which you guys have seen me try out from them before, and that is my actual favorite lip gloss or lip anything from them in general. That's just my favorite in all. And then I was also gifted some mattifying primer. Now I never tried their mattifying primer, and you guys know I have combination skin, but good thing my man know me, because when I'm using hydrating foundation, I like to use matte with that, matte primer with that. Or if I'm using matte foundation, I like to use a hydrating primer with that. And that's because I have combination skin, so it just gives me that balance. And good thing I own both their matte and their hydrating foundation, so I will be trying this soon, probably in a video with their hydrating foundation. And sorry if y'all see my light flicking on and off. Your girl don't know how to handle stuff like that. I'm gonna just go ahead and take the bulb out and let my man handle that when he get back home from his basketball game, because we ain't dealing with that. But yeah, I'm going to actually line my lips both times when trying out both of these goodies. So let's get into it. So I'm just going in and lining. And y'all know I love to line my lips because I just feel like it makes any lip combo look good. Even if you're just wearing like clear gloss, I feel like lip lining is just like a must. Okay, so I'm going to try, I'm gonna try the Sugar Kiss. Sugar with a G, y'all. G-A. S-U-G-A. Sugar. Okay, so y'all know already, but if you're new to the channel, I'm gonna just say, I love Fenty Beauty packaging in general. They give you quality, baby. So that's already a must. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see this? It's not like the Mademoiselle packaging, which I love. That one is more of gold tonish and it's not this thick. It's more of a taller lipstick. But this is like giving me shiny holographic vibes. It is gorgeous. Oh, you get a lot. That's thick, you guys. Yeah, that's dope. I love it. Okay, let's try it. I'm excited. Oh, yes. You guys, this is so moisturizing. This is giving me natural lip skin color vibes. Like, okay, so this one, depending, this one may be my favorite. Okay, it is very, do y'all see that shine? It is very much moisturizing. Y'all, okay, Fenty, I think y'all did something here. Like legit, because when I put on just regular lipstick, I put on gloss on top anyway, and this is giving me that vibe, like a glossy lipstick. Like, you don't have to put gloss on top, it does the job, because I have my universal lip gloss on the side, the glass slipper, the clear gloss on the side to put on top of this, but I don't even think I'm gonna need it, boo. This just made me so happy. Like, what? Yes, I love this. So let's try out the other color, you guys. So before trying out this next color, I just want to say I went ahead and redid the lining of my lips, y'all, and my lips for some reason look more plump and juicy from this Sugar Kiss one. Like, I don't know if it's supposed to do that. I don't think this is plumping or anything, but it's giving me more plump and moisturized, and I'm here for it, okay? I'm not gonna argue with it. But yeah, let's go ahead and try the shade Quartz Candy. Let's see. So again, this beautiful packaging. Oh, yes. I don't know if y'all can see that, but Quartz Candy has like pink, gold, and purplish glitz inside of it. Okay, this is, every time they never disappoint me, bro. This is gorgeous. Wow. This is drop dead gorgeous. Yeah, so I was right. It does come on kind of clear. I would say like a, not totally clear. It has like some type of beigeish tone in it, to me at least, but for the most part clear, and it has like purple, gold, pinkish glitz inside, but giving me very much highlighted natural lip. I ain't gonna argue with you, boo. I actually think I might like these more than the Mademoiselle's. Don't argue with me, argue with your mama, period. Because these are so fire. So I'm gonna try it with glass slipper anyway. Let's just see how the, what is it called? The Quartz Candy look with glass slipper. Ooh. Okay, glass slipper, I forgot how messy this one gets. Y'all, we redid a thing. Okay, you guys, I love these 10 out of 10, baby. Listen, this is giving me your skin but better. Like your skin but more shiny. This is giving me glazed donut but not too much. Like, what? Are you serious? So I went ahead and put the Sugar Kiss on top of the Universal Glass Slipper and what is this color called? The Quartz Candy combo. And it's just fab. These are like the perfect colors. Like, my man just know me so well. Like, what? These are fire. Okay, so these are definitely, as I would say, right behind Glass Slipper. These are going to be my faves. Like, I can tell already. I'm going to see if they have more shades because I need something like a nudish. Listen, fire. Like, I'm blown away. I ain't got nothing else to say. Fire. Get you some. Get the Sheer Lip Shine lipsticks. Get you some, sis. They will not disappoint you. Look at the lips. Period. Listen. Go buy you one. But yeah, so you guys know how I feel. I am so happy right now. Like, that just really set my mood. Like, Rihanna, you did that. Boo. Y'all did that. Period. Listen, I am so excited. But thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys try these out for yourselves. They are so good. I'm not for sure the retail price on them, but I will put it in the description box for you guys, so you'll know ahead of time before going on their website and wasting your time if they're not to your price liking. So yeah, I'll put that in the description box. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys out. Peace.